To get started, open any Confluence page where you want to add a report. This can be an existing page or a brand new one. Click the Edit button at the top right of the page. The page switches into edit mode and the Confluence Editor toolbar appears. Click anywhere in the page body where you want the report. Type a / or click the plus icon in the toolbar. A macro search panel opens. Type the app name, Reports. The macro appears in the results with the app icon. Click the macro and the app editor opens immediately in full screen. You are now inside the app and ready to build your report. At the top of the editor, the app name and 2 buttons, Save and Close. Nothing is saved to your Confluence page until you click Save, so you can explore and experiment freely. 3 panels. Left is the expression panel for unlocking nested Confluence API fields. Center is your live data preview with search, filter, and export tools. Right has 4 tabs: columns to define your report fields, template for ready-made setups, import to paste a JSON config, and raw to inspect the live API response. Click the Source dropdown to choose your data mode. Select Space, and the Space selector loads all your Confluence spaces. Search. And click to select. Multiple spaces combine into one report. Once spaces are chosen, the page selector activates so you can narrow down to specific pages. Switch to Custom CQL. The editor appears. Start typing. It immediately suggests Confluence fields in context. Type space, title, text, label, and more. After a field name, it suggests operators. After an operator, it suggests valid values.
That's it for the conditional hide macro. Use it to reduce clutter and hide role-specific content without duplicating pages. See you in the next video.